Here are the required ingredients for the cooking. Lightly fry some leftover fish cakes and set aside. Let's start with scrambling 3 eggs in the heated wok. The basics in our cooking. It must be this brand of Kit-Kat mayonnaise for the seasoning. Put as much as it covers the scrambled eggs with moist. Add some pepper too. Ready to put in the overnight cooked rice. Now mix it with the seasoned eggs till it's well blended. Not forgetting the fish cake to add in texture. Garnish with some scallions and stir fry into it. My man's all-time favorite. A black and sweet flavor fried rice. Here are the required ingredients for cooking. I wonder how it tastes like in the end. Heat up the oil. The usual scrambling of 3 eggs. Never omit eggs for our fried rice. Putting in the cooked rice at this point never change. For the rice and eggs to blend in nicely in visual. Separate the hardened rice for easy frying. Get that sauté taste with high fire. Mix 1 tablespoon of tomato and chili sauce each and add in. Stir fry the ketchup and chili sauce fried rice. And now it changes into orange in color. Add in sliced hot dogs and some MSG to taste. Fry till the hot dogs are cooked and ready to serve. A light tomato-y taste fried rice. No need much introduction to the ingredients. First fry and set aside the shrimp and fish cakes. Well, we are at it again. The scrambling of eggs. Add in the rice and stir fry. Then put in leftover seasoning to clear it. Put in the shrimp and fish cake. Some pepper and ready to serve. Here are the ingredients for a simple soup. I handmade these fresh, springy fish balls at a workshop. Let's boil this soup with 200 milliliters of water and chicken broth each. Once boiled, put in fish cakes and fish balls to cook. Almost ready to serve. Garnish with scallions and there you have it. Sweet and savory,